Kat, and in this video I will show you my current morning routine for springtime. I tend to change these up by the season because my skin and hair need different things depending on the weather, so I'll probably change this up again a little bit in the summertime. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.
The first thing I do in the morning, of course, is turn off my alarm. I never really wake up on my own, and then I check any urgent messages that might have popped up on there. I see what fresh hell the universe has for me, if I have to prepare for nuclear winter or what have you. Then I drink some water because I always wake up dehydrated, so hydrating a lot in the morning is key for me functioning properly. Then I usually lie there for about 5 minutes until I can psych myself up enough to get out of bed. Then I open up the curtains because getting enough light into the room for me is key to waking up, and at this point I love to do a little bit of yoga to get my blood flowing. It also helps me de-stress from whatever bizarre dreams I had that night. Honestly, sleep is not the most relaxing thing for me all the time, so doing some vinyasa flow yoga really helps me get into a nice positive headspace. Then after about half an hour to an hour of yoga, of course, I need to drink some more water, and at this point I usually will go into the kitchen and drink a whole bunch of water all at once. I try and have about 3 or 4 full glasses at this point in the morning, and then I get into the shower. I don't wash my hair every single morning, but on this particular day I used my GREAUX hair system. This is actually working really well on filling out my hair a little bit more. Then I used my Many Ethnicities leave-in conditioner, and this is a super rich leave-in conditioner. I tend to rinse my hair out upside down in the shower, and then I leave it flipped over. I put on my lotion as soon as I get out of the shower. This one I'm using is from Greener Path, and then with my hair still flipped forward, I like to scrunch it up onto the top of my head and then put it up into a cotton or silk wrap. This one I'm using is a stretchy jersey cotton. Then it is time for skincare once my hair is up out of the way. On this day I used my 24K Gold Serum that Maskology sent to me for some skin brightening, and then I used my Narcissus moisturizer from Mamonde. They sent this one to me and I absolutely love the fragrance of this. It's really rich and moisturizing, and I like to put that all the way down my neck and a little bit on my chest as well. Then at this point I'm really kind of dragging already, so I like to have a little bit of green tea, which I brew myself, and then I get my breakfast going. On this day I had a full banana, about a cup of chocolate cashew milk, some peanut butter, and chia seeds, and I blended all of that up together into a breakfast milkshake basically. Then at this point I'll usually go back into my bedroom and start having my breakfast while I finish up my skincare routine. If I'm going to do any dry brushing, this is the point when I'll usually do that for my face, neck, and chest, just to get some good circulation going and help my skin repair itself if I've had any breakouts recently. And then after that, I like to do my eye gel treatment. So I tend to wake up with really big bags under my eyes, so I'm using this Laurel and Holland Ultra Luxe Eye Gel. I absolutely love this gel. It's showing me some really great long-term effects, but you can also see how it's working instantly, which I absolutely love. It has Matrixyl, which is a peptide for reducing wrinkles, haloxyl, which is great for reducing dark circles, eyeless, which is an ingredient that reduces the appearance of puffy eyes, and Sessaflash, which is an active molecular ingredient that works instantly for reducing wrinkles. I'm loving this stuff. It feels great on my skin. I'll usually do one layer, and then as it dries a little bit, I'll do a second layer, and then I let that soak into my skin for a while before I put any kind of makeup on or sunscreen. While that soaks into my skin and works its magic, at this point I'll usually check my email again. I get a few hundred a day that I have to keep up with, so this is kind of a never-ending process in my morning. Next, I'm ready to do my hair. I'm using this curl defining cream that Amica gifted me, and I absolutely love this stuff. I spread it all over my hair and then I scrunch it up so it dries with some body and it leaves me with these light, fluffy curls. I do my makeup and I'm ready to go. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this one, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.